What's up guys, I'm Chirag and welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through how to increase the elastic IP address limit. So basically an elastic IP address is nothing but the static IP version 4 address, right? So right now AWS don't support IPv6, right? So basically elastic IP is associated with the AWS account in a specific region, right? So ideally, AWS limits 5 elastic IP per region by default, right? So for example, you are in US East 1, then you will be able to access or you will be able to allocate only 5 elastic IP address and you cannot allocate more than that, right? So basically this is the soft limit and this can be increased when required with the reasonable explanation, right? So let's get started. So assuming that you already have logged in into AWS Management Console, and once you are there, so here we are going to create the ticket or create the case, right, within AWS Support. So once you are there, click on Support from the top right corner and say Support Center. Now it will take you to the AWS Support dashboard, and within that you can see open support cases. So right now I don't have any case, and here I have the option to create the case. So click on that. Now here you will get three options. So one is account and billing, service limit increase, and technical support. So here, since we want to increase the limit of something, right, so it's going to be service limit increase. So select that. Now within case classification, it will ask you to select the service within limit type. So search for elastic IP over here. So it's elastic IPs and severity is disabled by default. Now within request, it will ask you to select the region. So I will go for North Virginia, that is US East. And if you also want to increase the limit for any other region too, then you can click on add another request and select the region and so on, right? Now within limit, we will get two options, that is EC2 classic elastic IP address limit and new VPC elastic IP address limit, right? So basically with EC2 classic, the instance probably run in a single or flat network, right? And with Amazon VPC, the instance run in a virtual private cloud, that is VPC, that is logically isolated to our AWS account, right? So basically, if you have created your AWS account after 2013-12/04, so this is the date, then it does not support EC2 Classic, right? And I believe the EC2 Classic will fade out soon, right? So go with new VPC elastic IP address limit, and within new limit value mention the number, right? So in my case it's going to be 10, right? So by default it's 5. I am asking them or I am requesting them to increase it to 10, right? And as I said, you can add another request if you want. Now here within case description, you have to give the reasonable explanation that why you want to increase the limit, right? So this could be the reason. So this is kind of a random thing I'd come up with, but you should write your own explanation or the actual requirement or the actual explanation that why you need to increase the limit, right? So after that, you will have the contact option. So I will go with web and say submit, right? So ideally they will respond within 48 hours, right? So they will review the request and the explanation, and based on that they will respond you back, right? So wait till that time, right? So this is how you can increase the elastic IP limit, and that's it for this tutorial. So till that time, If you want me to do tutorial on any use case or service, then please leave them below and I will try my best to come up with a tutorial as soon as possible. And if you have any queries or comments, then again please leave them below and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.